charge your Huawei Watch Fit 4 wirelessly using phone, let me quickly tell you how you can do this. Basically, you can charge your smartwatch with two ways. You can use the original adapter, the original charger which comes included with the box, with the smartwatch, and you can also additionally charge this smartwatch using the regular wireless adapter with which you can actually charge the phone. As you put this smartwatch on this charging adapter, as you can see, it begins to charge. So this means that you can also charge your smartwatch actually with the phone, which does have the function with the reverse wireless charging basically. So I unfortunately don't have such a phone with the wireless reverse charging. But if you do have actually such a phone, you can simply go into the settings and enable the reverse wireless charging, and after that what you simply have to do is just put your phone like this. You'll have to reveal the back, and at the back there is this wireless charger which can receive and send the energy. So from there you'll simply have to put your device, your smartwatch, on your phone, on this wireless charger that's on your phone, and it will begin to charge actually. I unfortunately cannot show you how it looks like, how it works, but it's pretty much the same principle. Like right here, you put this device on the wireless charger and it begins to charge. So that's basically how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.